The United People's Freedom Alliance states that the election campaign of the common opposition is based on the mentality of adding up members of the ruling party to support them. Representatives of the UPFA expressed these views at a media briefing held in Colombo today.
The strength of the common candidate is based on the support rendered to him by the government ministers and the provincial ministers. Now let us think that the preferential votes Hirunika will receive after crossing over will be 141,000. They are counting those to that side. Solangarachi obtained 43,000 preferential votes in Kulonnava. They are counting those also to that side. On the other side, Tissa Attanayaka and Jayantha Katagoda, when they make calculations that they did not contest, they will say this and sum them up. This is usually the standard of Montessori.
මේක සාමාන්‍ය මොන්ටිසෝරි වැඩක්.
අනුරාධපුර රැස්වීමට
It has been reported on websites that the crowd that gathered at the Anuradhapura meeting was brought by us from different provinces. I state with responsibility that the crowds that gathered are from electorates of the Anuradhapura district. Sirisena's election campaign was held in Minuwangoda. I have the video footage of it. If you count the number of heads, there were only 1,000 individuals present at the meeting.
10කට වගේ ආසන්න ප්‍රමාණයක් තමයි ඒ රැස්වීමවල හිටියේ.
The Chief Minister stated that Udaya Gammanpilla was invited to accept his minister post once again.
When he agreed to support us, his ministry was vacant and I was acting in that position. I made a request. I told him it was difficult for me to do all of this and to please take his ministry back. He clearly rejected that proposal. Even today at this media briefing, I asked him to take over this position. But since he has taken a policy decision, we cannot influence him.
If Maithripala Sirisena wins the presidential election, he will be taking over the most powerful executive presidential position in the world. He says that no matter who is there, he will fulfill his promises to establish good governance. I am truly saddened at the political knowledge of these people. Sri Lanka does not have the most powerful executive presidential position. Sri Lanka has a partial presidential system. The president can exercise his powers as long as his party has the majority in parliament. If parliament is angered, then the president will become a president only in name. Gammanpilla also commented on reports that political decisions had been taken for money. Social media networks have reported that I agreed to join the government because they agreed to write off my debts amounting to 800 million rupees. On one hand, I was happy when they said 800 million and I wondered if I was that valuable. I wish to propose a small competition on the sidelines of the presidential election. If you can prove that the government has written off my debts at any bank in Sri Lanka, be it 50 million or 800 million, then I will give the same amount of money to the person who discovers this and can produce evidence. It is the biggest competition in Sri Lanka.